Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make strawberry daiquiri. Please stick around and watch this video. My ingredients are I have frozen strawberry, which is about a pound of strawberry frozen, and I have some fresh strawberry and half of a lime. You can use lemon if you don't, and I'm using white rum. You can use any white rum you'd like to use, and I'm also going to use some grenadine. So first I'm going to start by adding the fresh strawberries. I'm going to add the frozen ones. And I'm gonna squeeze the lime onto the strawberry. And this is gonna give it a nice citrusy flavor. And I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of grenadine. And grenadine is just simple syrup, so you can make this at home if you want. And I'm also gonna use a shot of rum. You can use as much as you want. You don't have to use rum. You can make this version. Gonna give this a nice shake. Then we're gonna blend. And if you'd like, you can add some crushed ice to it. Look at this, beautiful. I'm gonna pour it into our glass. This is smelling amazing. I love the smell. Oh my goodness. And here you have it, guys. Look at this beautiful strawberry daiquiri. You can go ahead and make this for your Mr., your Mrs., your friend, anybody, for your Valentine's Day. Hope you enjoy this strawberry daiquiri. It is so tasty. And now we're gonna take a taste test. And this is tasty, and this is beautiful. Look at this. Anybody would glad for you to make this, so go ahead and surprise them with a strawberry daiquiri. Give them something extra. Give them something to remember. Oh my goodness. So good. And the flavor is amazing. That hint of lime and the grenadine. This is amazing, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And go ahead and enjoy your strawberry daiquiri. Bye, guys. See you in my next video. Happy Valentine's Day.